You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this model of motorcycle by Italian manufacturer Ducati. If you want to learn more vocabulary from motorcycling, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Hypermotard, that's your English, American English, hyper or hyper, British English pronunciation. Hypermotard. Yes, you do pronounce the R at the end. Hypermotard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.